Hi all! Today we'll choose what to craft in a new way.
Sue wrote what we'll do, and I wrote what we'll do it out of.
First, let's decide what we're going to craft today. It's gonna be, Encanto characters.
Hurry up, Sue! Get the paper out of my box!
Okay. And we'll make them from paper. Great!
Oh, well, I was hoping for something more interesting.
Oh, Sammy, believe me, paper will also be cool. I'll show you.
Oh, okay. Hey, wait for me!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Today, we'll draw some characters from Encanto. Let's start with Mirabel. She's the main heroine after all.
Paper and markers are boring. I wish we could paint with ice cream. And there was such an option in my box.
What? Are you serious? Nobody has ever done that before.
And apparently nobody will. Okay, I'll just eat
Bon
it.
appetit! Anyway, I got distracted. Mirabel needs some clothes. So now I'm gonna show you how we'll make the stencils with the help of light. Have you ever seen this, friends? Roger made this thing for me.
Wow! And you didn't tell me, you secret keepers? How could you?
And everything is cut out. Now we need some colored paper.
I can help you. I have a wide selection here.
Oh, wow! I love this color and this one. We don't need the rest yet. I'll transfer the top pattern. And you, Sammy, can you take care of the skirt?
Of course. Nobody makes skirts better than me.
What are you talking about? Well, in that case, defend yourself.
Hey! How dare you challenge me?
Well, the outfit for Mirabel is ready. Time to dress her up. Only as for me, her clothes lacks a couple of details.
I know what else to add to her outfit. Step aside. Now I'll just apply some glue, and you go get the sparkles.
Sir, yes, sir. I always have them ready.
Oh no, Sue, you poured too much.
Oh, Sammy, it's great that you keep track of such little things. Our Mirabel has an outfit now, but she needs bright shoes, too.
Easy. Phew. Susan, she should have jewelry. These earrings, you know.
Exactly. But your jewelry won't fit our Mirabel. These are just right. Hop?
I don't get it. Sue, Mirabel won't see anything. You forgot about her glasses.
No, I didn't. I just saved the best for last. Look. Okay, we're done now. Our first character from Encanto is ready. Give us a thumbs up if you like her.
Sue, we still need to make other characters.
As you say. Whom do we have next? Cool, it's Dolores. Too bad I don't have the same keen hearing as she does.
And I know how to make Dolores from a different material.
You still don't give up, huh?
Give me a couple of seconds and I'll show you Super Sand Dolores. Oh, it's a pity the pictures from sand don't stay for long.
The idea was great, though. Let's do it together next time.
Fine.
And now we need to find the stencils for her clothes. Oh, here they are.
And by the way, I have huge stocks of bright paper.
Oh, thanks. I think these two would go great together. We just need to cut them out. Hop? That's better. Now let's glue them onto our model. Oh, I was right. It's a great outfit. She looks very fashionable. Oh my feta, what's the rumble? I'll go check. Stay tuned, friends. And it's me again. Sam made that noise. He and Barbie couldn't agree on something.
It's just that our Dolores needs shoes and Barbie didn't want to share.
Is that so? Barbie has never been greedy. Apparently you wanted to take her favorite pair.
Sam, give me back my shoes. I can go
Let's get her shoes back. They won't really fit Dolores.
Oh, well, and I tried so hard. What should we do now?
I already made paper sneakers. They fit the look perfectly. We'll glue them and then decorate a little. Any ideas on how?
Certainly. Look at the amount of stuff I have. Choose anything.
Oh, great. Well, maybe we can decorate you at the same time. Oh, Sammy, I was just joking. Oh, interesting. Dolores says she heard something.
That's too much. A little bit here. Oh, yeah, she'll be so pretty.
Sammy's crafting something again. Then I'm gonna take care of Isabel. Sammy, be careful.
Ew, I finished my creation.
I'm sorry, Sammy, but can you tell me what it is?
Don't you get it, Sue? It's Isabella.
But she looks so different.
Well, fine.
Sammy, don't be upset. Together, we'll make a cool Isabella out of paper. You'll see.
While you were drawing, I picked out some outfits here.
Let's see. Oh, the stencil. So you trust me to choose the color? And of course, I chose pink. Let's try it on. As if something is missing.
I know what, a coat, and I already made it.
Well done, Sammy.
I'm just so good.
Oh, wow, she looks so great. I told you, together we can do it. It remains only to draw her shoes. And then we're gonna need a makeup.
Did you say makeup? So you need your cosmetics.
Oh, no, Sammy, I misspoke. I meant a makeover with glitter. Look how great it comes out.
Okay, then I'll take this back.
No, wait.
Huh?
I need some nail polish.
Oh, just a sec. Here it is, take it.
Thank you. Now I'll fix the shimmering effect with nail polish. And it will be just great.
Isabella likes jewelry around her neck. I can do that.
A choker, cool. Let's add this rhinestone pendant. I want to make Isabella even brighter. Let's add a purple strand to her hair.
Should we add a flower? There's no Isabella without a flower.
The idea is great, but this flower is not. It's too big.
Well,
Don't worry, I have the right one.
maybe she can grow a flower in this pot
Oh,
then.
you stop messing around. Isabella's from paper and the pot is real. Sammy, come back. It's time to make Louisa. And get this pot out of here.
I'm strong like Luis. I can take it easily.
Sammy, please be careful. I'm worried about you. Do what you can do easily and naturally. For example, for me it's drawing.
Well, I'm magnifique. I'm perfect at creating outfits. No, it's not that. No. Why can't I do anything?
Sammy, don't say that. You're the best fashion designer. But now we need to iron these so we can keep crafting.
Iron? That I can do. Make way. I'll iron everything now. Well, is that better?
Of course, Sammy. Now let's pick colors for each element. I think it should be done like this. What do you think?
Sue, you got it all mixed up again. But don't worry, I'll fix everything now.
Great, thank you. Now we'll glue this bomber jet.
Wait, it's not ready yet. Don't glue it.
Sammy, I know. I was just kidding. Of course we'll decorate it first.
Ew, you scared me. I thought my design would go to waste.
Look how great it is. I wouldn't mind dressing like this myself.
Well, we're not done yet. We'll add shoes and the total look will be wonderful.
Sammy, I'm sorry, but I can't help it. I want to add more details. When you're around, an incredible inspiration just hits me. I hope you approve of my decorating ideas.
Of course, it's I who taught you that. Well. Let's add more sparkles. Yes, very well. More sparkles. And even more sparkles.
Another Encanto heroine is ready. I really like the result. Let's see who else you picked for us today. Peppa, great!
You go ahead and start without me. I want to try knitting her out of this.
So I'm guessing there was a piece of paper with the word yarn in your box.
Sue, something went wrong.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Maybe we can knit an outfit for her then? Huh? What do you say?
Sammy, I've already got everything ready. Let's do without yarn. Look, we'll make the top golden, super, and the skirt will be pink. Awesome! And golden boots are a perfect fit here. And just like that, we're done.
What if Peppa won't like the outfit and begin a thunderstorm? I'm ready for anything though.
I hope we can please her. Oh, and be sure to add a few flowers to her top.
Sue, let me finish Peppa's look. Let me please.
Let's flip a coin, shall we? Heads, you do it. Tails, me.
Huh? Oh, well, I'm gonna enchant a coin next time and then I'll definitely win.
Let's not wait for the next time. We'll finish Peppa together. Well, all our Encanto girls are ready. Let's take a look at them one more time.
This time I'll do it right. No more paper.
Oh, what are you doing here, Sammy?
Well, I'm writing down something. That's it, yeah. Where did you go?
I showed our craft to Roger. He liked it. And what is all this? Cement, leaves, rainwater. What does it mean?
The list of materials for future crafting, of course.
Getting ready, huh?
Well, yeah.
Then I'll also add something to the list. And new friends wait for our new crafts. Bye-bye!
See you soon.